snooper scope is a special wireless invention that, by using your mobile device as a screen and the infrared light as the source, enables you to see in low light conditions and in total darkness. Plus, under visible light, it reveals hidden things that normally cannot be seen by the human eye. A number of more practical applications have been developed with the snooper scope because of its ability to peer through any opaque material that infrared rays can pass through. It can maximize your smartphone and tablet in the dark and improve visibility in low light conditions. Snooper scope is perfect for professional and personal applications like night vision, to see in dark places, to see through objects like liquids, ink, and textiles, to see dust and motes in environments for one-on-one experimental uses and for fun. The Snooper Scope app is available for iOS and Android. It is really easy to set up and use. Pair Snooper Scope with a direct Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone or tablet and open the app and you are done. Want to capture what you're seeing on your smartphone? Simply click the snapshot icon on the app to take still pictures or click the record icon to record an actual video and save it. The snapshots will come up, so it's easy to save them as a JPEG in your smartphone. The recorded video will automatically save as an MPEG.
Who's America's top robot? And they're off! Meebo's streaming video keeps us in on the action. Here comes Balance Bot. Ooh! Meebo's on the approach. And in position.
I failed that test. If my parents find out...
Oh, they will.
Did that just come from Meebo's mouth? Balance Bot is on the okay. Check out Meebo's arm control. It's safe to say we have a clear winner. Meebo!
Yeah, it's real good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it, the sound's coming through.
Yeah, I like it.
It's so funny.
Whoa.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy.
attaches to any pair of eyeglasses. So it saves what you are seeing now without using hands. And you can download any photos to your smartphone and view them. And also upload to our web service or share via SNS. I designed this camera to those who don't want to miss shutter chances. So you can take any photos even when your hands are full. Like logging daily life, Blinkem helps you saving good memories of your life. Do you remember the first time your kid stood, touched a doggy? You should see the moment not through screen of your smartphone, but with your eyes, and take pictures at the same time. Like cooking, while making something with your both hands, you can record the processes. Imagine how you take this picture without Blinkem. Blinkem helps you to make recipes much easier. While enjoying outdoor activities like cycling, hiking, or traveling, you should not pass by the good scenery, but you should take as many pictures as you like at any moment. Blinkem captures what you see, which may be something different from usual pictures you've taken. Of course, while your hands are occupied. Let's see. We use the convergence of technologies such as camera, battery, memory, and eye movement sensor, which we have patent pending. It is 25 weight, light enough to keep it on. Glasses. Blinkem is a tool to collect those precious moments in your life. So you will no longer use hands to take pictures. We will offer a new category of photos. Let's explore the world with Blinkem and save them all. Blinkem will never let the moment pass.